Hey folks, hope your day is going well so far. It is windy, going to be windy all day long. In fact, these are the sustained winds. They're going to be out of the south, 25, 30 miles per hour and gusting higher than that. So watch the clock here, 1 o'clock. Still all the winds coming up out of the south. If anything, they may get a little stronger by mid to late afternoon. Some gusts out in western Oklahoma and in the Texas Panhandle could be up to around 50. So gusty, dusty. It's not going to be the best day to wash your car. The dust blowing through the air and the wind continues into tonight before it switches to the north. And that's going to drive in some cooler air for our day on Friday. Going to be much cooler around here. Today, though, 80 degrees. That's down from yesterday's 86. Average 61, so we are way up above that and dropping down significantly. So 35-mile-per-hour south winds today. Tomorrow, north winds at 25 and 55 degrees. Look at Saturday morning. There's a freeze in the forecast. Temperatures dropping into the low 30s. We're way past average on the first freeze. This would be the first one. Saturday going to be a cool day as well, high of only 54. You'll need a jacket throughout the entire day. And then next week, highs in the 50s and 60s. Thanksgiving Day, sunny and around 60 degrees.